Hi everybody, this is Mike, and I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Word 2003. Okay, here we go. Go to your computer, and the very first thing you would like to do, if you can get nice and close in there, so you just see the screen. So if you want, you can go from an angle, that's okay, whatever is more comfortable for you. And I'll turn it like that, and then you want to push it all the way in so the screen is nice and big, right about there. Perfect. Okay, so go to your Start button, All Programs, and then you want to go up to where it says Microsoft Office. Where does it say Microsoft Office? Right here. And then go over and down to where it says Microsoft Word 2003. And you wait for that to open. Now, the first thing I like to do is close this little box up in the corner here. It makes it easier for you to see things. So I close that. Then I go to make the margins. The margins is the blank space on the top, the sides, and the bottom. So I go File, Page Setup, and then I have top, left, bottom, and right. So top is 1 inch, bottom is 1 inch, that's fine. But the left and the right also have to be 1 inch, according to MLA. So there we go. I click OK. Now, I want to set it up so that it's double spaced. So I go to Format, Paragraph, and then I go down to where it says Line Spacing, and I click Double, and then OK. Now everything's double spaced. Then I want to make sure that I have a page number and my last name in the top right-hand corner. To do that, I go to, I believe it's Insert, and then I go down to the little menu, and I want to find Header and Footer. Is that Header and Footer? Oh, sorry, View. Thank you, thank you. My wonderful assistant is helping me here. So to do that, I go to View, and then I do Header and Footer. And then I want to make sure that this is on the right-hand side. So now I click over here for the alignment to up right-hand side. If you don't have these buttons on your computer, there's another way to do it. You can go to Format, Paragraph, and then Alignment, and change that to the right side. That does exactly the same thing as this button here. Now I can put in my last name, but I don't want to do that until I have the page number first. Remember, everything you type in this box will appear on every page of your document, so do not type the number 1. Go to Insert Auto Text, click Page, and then it has the page number here. Then I go over to the beginning of the page number and I type in my last name. So let's say, for example, your last name is Martinez. That's what you're going to have, and put a space. Always have a space there. You're done. So click Close. Notice how it changed colors? That means it's the header. So every page will have a different page number. Let me show you. I'll push Enter and go all the way down. Notice how page 2 says Martinez, same as before, but now it's page 2. So that's how to do that. Now let's go back up to make sure we have the correct MLA format for your information here. First thing you want to have is your name. So imagine the student's name is Pedro. Pedro Martinez, and let me make this a little bit big so everybody can see it clearly. Pedro Martinez. Enter. Notice how it's double spaced. Then you want to put the teacher's name. So the teacher's name in this case would be Professor Jones. And then enter again. Notice it's double space. Then the class name. In this case, it's Composition 5. And then the date. Now for the date, very specific. You have to put the number first, then the name of the month, and then the year. So, for example, if the due date is the 20th of January, you're going to say 20 space capital J, January, space 2011 in this case. Do not put a number 1 here. Don't say 20/01/2011. It's not the way we do it. Exactly like that. And then push Enter again just 1 time. Now push Center up here in the alignment box. Center. you can put your title here. Put your title here. Push enter one time. Then you want to go back to alignment to make sure it's left. Remember, if you don't know how to do alignment with these buttons, format, paragraph, alignment, and then choose the correct alignment. Now that I'm over here, I can start writing, but first I have to indent 5 spaces, and the best way to do that is by pushing the Tab key. Let me show you the Tab key on the computer keyboard. That is right here, the Tab key. It's above Caps Lock and above Shift. So Tab. Watch what happens when I push Tab. I push Tab one time, and then I can start typing. This is where I start. And now we're all set. That is how to how to format a document in Microsoft Word 2003 for MLA. This is Mike, and I hope that this has helped. Thanks.